How to post an archived Instagram photo. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can post an archived photo on your Instagram. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Instagram, and we know that on Instagram we can actually archive our pictures that we have actually posted on our profile, and then these pictures are no longer available on our profile. So let's say you archived a photo, but now you have changed your mind and you want to post it again. How to do that? You will simply open up your Instagram profile, and once you are on profile, then you will click on these three lines right here above, and it will open up this menu for you which says settings, archive, your activity, QR code, saved, and more. In here, you will simply click on archive, and here you will find your archived photos and stories. Now you will see that this is actually an archived story, but I'm looking for a photo that I archived. So you will find this option right here which says stories archive. Click, and then it will open up a menu for you which says stories archive, posts archive, and a live archive. So we want to go for posts right here, so I'm going to select the second option, and it will take me to my archived photos. Now I will simply go ahead and click on these three dots right here and click on show on profile. Once you do that, now simply go back to your profile, and there you go. This picture is back. The likes and comments on the picture will also be shown as before, the location that you added, and caption as well. And this is how you can simply go ahead and post an archived Instagram photo. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.